Make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I'm here with a 2018 GMC Sierra Denali. Now, I already went ahead and I've duplicated the existing key, which is on a B119 PT. So this is before they move to the, integrated key remote or procs, right? So it just has a fob and then it has a key. Now, they don't need an extra fob on this one, so we're just gonna make an extra key, and I'm using the JMA B119. Now, I am gonna be using the Smart Pro on this truck here because the Smart Pro on these newer GMs is making quick work out of it. So let's hop inside and let's get this extra key programmed. All right, so now that we have the Smart Pro connected to the OBD2 cable, we're ready to get programming. Now, it's so important before you get here to the vehicle to look on the MyKeys Pro app, make sure everything, everything about the vehicle. And so I've already done that. As you can see here, I have the 2017 and 19 Blade GMC Sierra pulled up, made sure I'm not gonna find any surprises, and we're ready to go. Now, GM is if it's an all keys lost situation, you're going to want to have two working keys to, two keys to program in. So those are the kind of things per manufacturer you want to make sure you know what you need to know before you are going into it. Okay, so now that we're here, let's go ahead and get this program. So we're going to go to vehicle selection. We're going to go to GMC. We're going to go down here to Sierra. Let's take a look here. Okay, so when I'm looking at the screen here, as you can see, I see 2007 to 13, 14, 15, 14, 16, and then 15, 16 for the push button procs, which it's a Blade, right? That's what a Blade is here. So I don't see it listed here. So, in my head here, we have two options. Option one is try the 16. Option two is to go to the Chevy Silverado version and try that. So let's go ahead and go to the Chevy Silverado. So I don't know why it's not listed in here, honestly, but the app says they can do it, so I feel confident that it's still going to happen. As you can see here, if you go down to software required, it has it all on here, so I think we can still get this done. Let's try. Let's go down here to Silverado. Let's have some fun here. Let's see. Okay, so Silverado 17 to 19 Blade. Let's go ahead and click it. Let's go ahead and connect to the immobilizer. Switch ignition on. Okay, so I'm going to take the existing key, put it in, turn it on. I don't know if we have... Let's see here. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to go down here to add keys, all right, and we're going to hit the play button on the bottom left. Okay, so please read pin code using the read pin procedure. No problem. So we want to go down here to read pin. You don't need a pen or paper. It's going to do it automatically, store the information. So we're going to hit the button. We'll let it read the pin. Okay, pin code's 5919. There we go. So then we're going to go up here to add keys. Okay, right there. We're going to hit that play button. All doors must be closed, which they are. Now we just got to wait 10 minutes. All right, we're just about done with our 10-minute wait, and we'll get started here. So here we go. Switch ignition off. Okay. Open and close driver's door. Okay. Switch ignition on. Now this is still my programmed key I'm doing this with, okay? So I just reprogrammed that one, so we want to hit yes, okay? Definitely want to hit yes to get that other key programmed. So off, remove key, okay? Insert next key to be learned and switch to on, okay? Switch ignition off, okay? Open and close the driver's door. Okay. Switch ignition on. Okay. You want to program more keys? No, just those two. So now we got, I guess there's 3 total programmed in here now. So there we go. So let's go ahead and let's disconnect here the Smart Pro. And, oh, might have done that a little too soon, but let's go ahead and give it a try here. So this is with our new key. Everything's perfect. Oh, sorry, we had the, looks like we had the fan on there. Let's try the original, make sure we're good. And we are. All right, and so that's how we program a 2018 GMC Sierra Denali with the Smart Pro, programming the B119 PT. Now, I do want to note that at the towards the middle, right before we started programming, it said make sure all doors are closed and, you know, start it, right? And then the 10-minute wait happened. Now, we did open and close the doors. Connor wanted to shoot some B-roll and, you know, get all the other stuff going. So we did open and close the doors a couple times. So that's okay. You can do that. Another thing you want to keep in mind is I was keeping an eye on the battery level throughout this. So it started to dip a little bit. And you want to be prepared with a jump box or at minimum some jumper cables to make sure that you don't have to keep the battery going while you wait the 10 minutes. But anyways, post your comments and questions below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're gonna pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.